Hey Naris, missing traveling? Click the subscribe button and bell icon. Welcome to TripNaari and this time to Varkala. Varkala is known for clean beaches, mesmerizing cliffs with cafes, resorts, souvenir shops, Ayurveda centers and much more. Let's know more about Varkala. Also known as Papanasham Beach, Varkala Beach is 10 kilometers away from the main Varkala town. It is known as one of the top 10 seasonal beaches in the world, famous for stunning landscapes, spa and Ayurvedic centers, offering best treatments and therapies. Varkala gives a pleasant experience and attracts a large number of tourists from all over the world. Cliff-clad beaches and soothing environment gives a sense of relaxation and also fun and energy with water sports activities, delicious foods in cafes and restaurants, perfect holiday and resorts attract honeymooners and beach lovers to spend holidays at this place. The edge of the cliff offers fascinating view of the sea. Nightlife is amazing with silent music and delicious foods. Janardhana Swami temple is believed to be 2000 years old, stands on the cliff overlooking the beach, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Festivals are celebrated here with a great energy and it is one of the major centers for doing homages to the ancestors. The Sivagiri Mutt, located at a distance of 2.5 kilometers from Varkala, this ashram is dedicated to Sri Narayan Guru, who propagated the ideology one caste, one religion and one God. Thousands of devotees visit this mutt every year. Kappil beach is about 7 kilometers north of Varkala. It is a beach and backwater destination. One side you can see the blue Arabian Sea and the other side Narayan Lake. One of the best places to view is the bridge across the lake. Not too far, the backwater drains into the sea. Varkala is known for fresh seafoods caught by local fishermen and display in front of many restaurants. You can select your own food and have it prepared in the tandoor and enjoy the sunset. Vegetarian food is also available at many places. There are a number of resorts on the cliff facing the sea, and the budget starts from 1000 to 5000 rupees per night as per the season. You will also find a good number of spa centers for some therapies to relax your body and mind. You can get indulged in water activities and also experience paragliding. You can rent a vehicle to explore the city. Varkala is well connected to the rest of India by rail and road. Rail and bus services are available on a regular basis. Buses being operated by private and government owners such as Kerala State Road Transportation Corporation. There is no direct flight connection, however, you can reach Thiruvananthapuram airport, which is about 40 kilometers away from Varkala, and rent a vehicle for Rs 2000, board a bus or a local train to reach Varkala. That's all for today's video. We hope you like it. Do like, share, subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.